The Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge's tirade against Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, where he insulted not just the UP Chief Minister but also his saffron robes and even compared him to an Atanki or a terrorist. Yogi Adityanath has now responded. In a sharp response to Kharge, who questioned him on being a yogi while also being in politics, the UP Chief Minister said that a yogi, a nation comes first, unlike the Congress, whose appeasement is said to be paramount.
ये कह रहा हूं उनको, बीजेपी को, या तो सफेद कपड़े डाल, या तो सन्यासी कपड़े डालते हो, गेरुआ डालते हो, पॉलिटिक्स से बाहर हो जाओ। जो साधु संत होता है वो सबके लिए होता है, बाटो काटो में क्यों जा रहे हैं? अरे ये काम कोई टेररिस्ट बोल सकता है।
कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष श्री मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की बात को देख करके वे मुझ पे बहुत नाराज हो रहे हैं। खड़गे जी, मैं एक योगी हूं और एक योगी के लिए देश पहले होता है। निजाम के रजाकारों के द्वारा उन्हें जलाया गया। खड़गे जी सच्चाई को नहीं बोलना चाहते क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि निजाम पे आरोप लगाऊंगा तो मुस्लिम वोट खिसक जाएगा।
The BJP, meanwhile, has reminded the Congress and its allies of their constant alleged anti-Hindu tirade, right from Akhilesh Yadav drawing comparisons between Matadhish and Mafia to Congress's statement on saffron terror. Reminding the Congress of its own slogan of Mohabbat Ki Dukaan, the BJP has asked the Congress why the party has maintained silence over it. But the Congress leaders have only added to the insult.
सबसे बड़ा गुनाह भाजपा की नजरों में, जो हमारी नजरों में सम्मान की बात है कि इतना अनुभवी आदमी दलित समाज से आता है और भाजपा कहां बर्दाश्त कर सकती कि कोई दलित अध्यक्ष बन जाए राष्ट्रीय।
ये चाहते हैं कि मुद्दा बने, ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं। कांग्रेस नहीं चाहती, कांग्रेस चाहती सभी जाति सभी धर्म को साथ लेके चलो, डेमोक्रेसी है देश के अंदर। ये चाहते हैं कि धर्म के नाम पे बांटो और चुनाव जीतो।
लेट मी रिमाइंड मिस्टर खड़गे, this Congress party talked of saffron terror. Remember, Rahul Gandhi even mentioned the same to an American delegation. I remember I had raised this issue from 11 Ashok Road, उनको याद होगा, in a big way, and the Congress party had to clarify.
योगी जी के लिए हमेशा राष्ट्र प्रथम है, परंतु खड़गे जी के लिए राष्ट्र नहीं, केवल कांग्रेस प्रथम, कांग्रेस का परिवार प्रथम और वोट बैंक प्रथम है। जिस रेडिकल थॉट प्रोसेस ने उनको सबसे ज्यादा क्षति पहुंचाई, आज खड़गे जी उनको भी कुछ नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि वोट बैंक का मामला है।
Well, Adib, good morning. This seems to be a befitting response to the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, who is not a true yogi remark that came in directly from the UP chief minister, saying that he was a yogi and the nation was his priority.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress chief, had been attacking Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for the past few days. And while Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was campaigning in Maharashtra, he responded back to Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that Congress president is not happy with me, but he should remember that what his family faced when they were living under the Nizams of Hyderabad. So this is how the UP CM responded back to Mallikarjun Kharge, and he said, for me, the nation comes first. For Prime Minister Modi, the nation comes first, but for the Congress, it is the appeasement politics that comes first, and that is why Mallikarjun Kharge is afraid of speaking of the atrocities that took place in his village. This is what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath responded to Mallikarjun Kharge, but Congress seems to be supporting Mallikarjun Kharge, and they are saying that what Mallikarjun Kharge ji has said, it is true, and this is the true nature of BJP and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party Amita is also supporting the statement given by Mallikarjun Kharge, but BJP and the entire BJP is seeking response from the Congress party, and they are saying that Mallikarjun Kharge should apologize on what he has said, and the Rahul Gandhi should come into this, and he should see what Mallikarjun Kharge has been saying to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and not just insulting Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, but Mallikarjun Kharge also talked about Gerwa. Gerwa, which represents the community of Sadhu and Saints. So there's also a reaction from Sadhu and Saints community, and they all are demanding that Mallikarjun Kharge should respond and should issue an apology for using these kind of remarks.
Well, that has been as far as the to and fro and rather the political discourse that has been witnessed as far as in the state of Uttar Pradesh that is also concerned, and where it all started. It started from when the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath made the "Batenge to Katenge" slogan that he had given, but in a no-holds-barred attack on the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mallikarjun Kharge had said that a true yogi would never make remarks like "Batenge to Katenge." Adeep continues to be with us as we get you the more developments that are coming to ground, but in the